Are you tired of the endless grind of managing social media for your business or personal brand? In this video, we'll show you how to use artificial intelligence to automate your social media marketing. These tools handle everything from scheduling posts to creating engaging content and analyzing results. Let's explore how you can save time and boost your online presence effortlessly. Our first tool is Buffer, a powerful platform that helps you schedule and publish posts across multiple social media channels. With Buffer, you can plan out your content calendar and let the tool handle the posting for you. It even provides insights on the best times to post based on audience engagement. If you want to try Buffer, the link is in the description. Next up is Canva Pro, a versatile design tool that simplifies creating eye-catching visuals for social media. Canva offers templates for everything from Instagram posts to YouTube thumbnails, and its AI features can suggest layouts and styles based on current design trends. For consistent, professional quality visuals, Canva is a must-have. Check out Canva Pro using the link below. Hootsuite is a comprehensive social media management tool that includes scheduling, analytics, and team collaboration features. Hootsuite's AI-driven recommendations help you optimize your content strategy by analyzing past posts and audience preferences. It's perfect if you're managing multiple accounts or a team. The link to Hootsuite is in the description. Social Bee is an AI tool that focuses on content categorization and recycling. It allows you to group content by categories, like blog posts, quotes, and promotions, and then schedules them at optimal times. This way, your content always stays fresh and relevant. Social Bee is especially useful for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs who want to keep their audience engaged without constantly creating new content. Finally, Lately AI is a unique tool that repurposes long-form content like blog posts or podcasts into social media snippets. It uses AI to identify the most engaging parts and create short, shareable posts. This is a fantastic way to maximize the reach of your existing content without creating anything new from scratch. Check out Lately AI through the link in the description. These AI tools make social media management so much easier, freeing up your time while ensuring your brand stays active and visible. If you're interested in trying any of them, check out the links below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on automating and optimizing your marketing.